Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your TikTok not working on your iPhone after you have actually done an update? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how you could potentially fix this problem. So actually I had this problem myself, and what I did to be able to fix it, I firstly just exited my TikTok app and then I went into my settings app on my iPhone instead. And then as you can see, you should now be taken to a page similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit and then you're going to click on general. So click on general, and as you can see it should now take us to this page. Now scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says storage in here. So click on storage and you should now be taken to this page. And by the way, just so you know, this might take a couple of seconds to load. Just so that you're aware of that, just scroll down and select TikTok. It should be like all the way up quite often for us because it takes a lot of memory on our phone. So just click on TikTok, and then by the way, this will not log you out, or it shouldn't log you out at least, because what we need to do now is to click on offload app and then once again click on offload app in here. And we're just going to wait a little bit and then you're going to click on the blue button here again. And as you can see, my TikTok app here says loading now because it basically is now automatically updating to the latest version. So now you might wonder, why do I have to do this again? And that's a great question. Well, sometimes when you actually do a new update on TikTok, it basically bugs out for some reason and you need to do it once again so that it can actually basically just fix like all the bugs. So I did this myself, and yeah, for me it worked, and I hope that it's going to work for you as well. But if it's not working for you for some reason even after you did an update, what you can also try to do is to just restart your phone. So just restart your iPhone and then try again. That might also fix the issue. Sometimes the issue is also your connection. So if you have a very bad Wi-Fi or mobile data connection right now, that might also be the reason, just so you know. But hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you.